the final rotation of the DDR Hall of Trials boss. For this one, it just says no fire heroes to get the bonuses, and it's honestly not that big of a deal because one, since we can use deep elements again, Euphine is back on the table. You'll see most people are just everyone's using Euphine again. It's only like me and a couple of other people that are not using Euphine because we don't have her mold, I guess. Or I'm assuming they also don't have her molded. She's just straight up better. I'm not using her because I don't have her molded. So my preferred healer of choice is Angelica. It looks like people are using Doris too. There is one guy down here that is just saying, I'm just going to use Achates anyway and it'll be fine. So it seems like you can still score pretty high with Achates. You're just subject to RNG because you need to play with the 15% since you don't ignore FRES. And of course, because this is pretty unrestrictive, all of the old teams work pretty much the same. Like these are the week 1 teams. The Luluka Amelia team works fine again. The current rank 1 and rank 2 are using that. And then you can do Amelia plus Sylvain Sage. So it's the week 2 team, just the Sylvain Sage base teams. And instead of using Cowrick, you use Euphine. Instead of using Achates, you use Amelia or Angelica or even Aether. Aether is actually probably a pretty good option because Aether gives attack buff, and attack buff does boost Schnill's damage. But I'm assuming just nobody has that unit built. So since there's not really that much to say, the team runs exactly the same, you're just swapping out some parts. I'll go over my stats and then I'll play out the run, but I'm not going to commentate it or anything. The stats are the exact same as last time, to be honest. Schneal still fast with attack and crit damage and crit chance. He's got just enough speed to be twice Sylvain Sage's speed, even after she gets speed buff from her S1. He's in Grace of Growth to max out his S3 for the damage, though I did get him Friendship 10 recently, so I should probably build him soon. And then POS for the stats that it provides. Next up is our DPS. She's just as much attack as possible with a very low amount of speed. I have her just barely faster than F10A, which honestly, it's just so that I think having her be exactly 1 speed faster doesn't really matter, but you do want her to move before F10A so that when F10A uses her S3, Sylvain Sage will be further back in the CR bar. And I have her on Team Imprint to boost Schnill's attack. Cruel Mischief is the best artifact once again because of the attack boost. F10A, I've just got her base speed with full damage, though this time in my run I did not end up taking a turn with F10A at all, so I actually didn't need to build her full damage. If you do take a turn with her, or I suppose with Euphine if you're using her, then you do want damage on them. If they never take a turn and break, their gear doesn't matter. You could leave them ungeared if for all you want. And then Etika Scepter is mandatory for me because I do not have Euphine. Euphine has a 3-turn silence on her S2. F10 is stuck with 4 turns, so we need Etika's to make up for the turn because we can't use Achates to reduce her cooldowns anymore. I will mention that her being base speed is actually not that fantastic because she's so slow that even in or that in the second and third phase, DDR will lap her before she gets to use her S3 and he'll throw an extra S1 into Vivian. Though Angelica's sustain is really, really good, so it doesn't make too much of a difference. It does prevent you from using Vivian's S3 at the start of the next phase, which lowers her healing a little bit. That's only really a thing if you are doing a 4-hit cycle, or a 6-hit cycle. So of course if you're using Euphine, just you can just put like Card of Small Miracles on her or something. And then lastly I'm using Angelica as my healer. Okay, it's FRES. So yeah, self-imprint is fine. I have her on the attack boosting Warhorn. If you find yourself struggling with sustain, you can use Rod, though it shouldn't be that big of an issue because pretty much all the damage is being thrown into Vivian, and you could just target her with S2, and you will be able to heal her up. Her stats, I just auto-geared her. You just want a bit of speed, a good amount of HP, and that's pretty much it. So that's it for the stats for this team. So now you can take a look at the run if you want to. It's pretty much the same as the old one, just swapping out Angelica for, or Achates for Angelica.
고통은 없을 거야. 효과는 내가 보증하거든.
영광으로 하려고? 도망칠 곳은 없는 것 같네. 농담할 분위기가 아니네. 왕자가 생각나. 와서 앉아보라고. 표정이 무서운가?
재밌네. 한글을 시험할 때군요.
도망칠 곳은 없는 것 같네. 이봐, 말로 하자고.
환자가 왔고
끝나고 부탁할까?
물론의 기회를 드리죠. 마무리해 볼까? 환상 속에서 눈물 흘리고 슬픔에 익사할 때까지. 날아가는 게 하나만은 아닐 텐데.
도망칠 곳은 없는. 슬슬 돌아가야겠어. 서류 작업이 밀렸거든.
어쩔 수 없네. 새벽이야.
표정이 무서운가? 왕자가 생각나? 와서 앉아보라고.
제 승리가 확실해요.
농담할 분위기가 아니네. 왕의 이름으로 명하노니 문은 닫고 나갔어. 도망칠 곳은 없는. 슬슬 돌아가야겠어. 서류 작업이 밀렸거든.
굳이 싸워야 하려나? 은퇴하고 싶어. 불쌍한 것들.
이봐, 말로 하자고. 왕자가 생각나? 와서 앉아보라고. 표정이 무서운가? 왕의 이름으로 명하노니 문은 닫고 나갔어.
자욱한 죽음의 연구가 마음에 들기를.
영광으로 하려고.
물론의 기회를 드리죠. 달아나려 발버둥 칠 수. 절대 운매일 뿐이에요. 저랑 같이 놀래요? 헷!
농담할 분위기가 아니네. 이봐, 말로 하자고. 슬슬 돌아가야겠어. 서류 작업이 밀렸거든.
어쩔 수 없네.
도망칠 곳은 없는 것 같네.
한글을 시험할 때군요.
이봐, 말로 하자고.
제가 바로 앨리스랍니다. 자!
치료가 맞아.
힘내서 가볼까? 표정이 무서운가?
제 승리가 확실해요.
농담할 분위기가 아니네.
마무리해볼까? 제가 만든 동화는 아주 잔혹하고 아름다워요. 크로켓 대신 카드놀이는 어때요?
이봐, 말로 하자고. 왕자가 생각나? 와서 앉아보라고.
은퇴하고 싶다는데 기도하나니 굳이 싸워야 하려나?
표정은 무서운걸? 왕의 이름으로 명하노니 문은 닫고 나간다. 도망칠 곳은 없는 것. 슬슬 돌아가야겠어. 서류 작업이 밀려.
논란의 기회를 드리죠. 헛!
표정이 무서운걸? 왕자가 생겨나? 와서 앉아보라고.
어쩔 수 없네. 불쌍한 것들.
이봐, 말로 하자고. 슬슬 돌아가야겠어. 서류 작업이 밀려.
한글을 시험할 때군요. 야!
모든 게 끝났을 때 무슨 관계는 날 기다릴까?
끝나고 회식할까? 농담할 분위기가 아니네.
재밌네.
표정이 무서운걸? 왕의 이름으로 명하는 문은 닫고 나간다. 도망칠 곳은 없는 것 같네.
신님이 실합니다. 생명. 제 승리가 확실해요.
이봐, 말로 하자고.
저랑 같이 놀래요?
농담할 분위기가 아니네.
환자가 왔고
영광으로 하려고. 표정이 무서운걸?
굳이 싸워야 하리나?
도망칠 곳은 없는 것 같네. 슬슬 돌아가야겠어. 서류 작업이 밀려.
제가 바로 앨리스랍니다. 환상 속에서 눈물 흘리고 슬픔을 익사할 때까지 속임수는 없답니다.
이봐, 말로 하자고. 왕자가 생겨나? 와서 앉아보라고.
신님이 뜻이랍니다. 새벽이야. 물론의 기회를 드리죠.
농담할 분위기가 아니네. 슬슬 돌아가야겠어. 서류 작업이 밀려. 표정이 무서운걸? 왕의 이름으로 명하는 문은 닫고 나간다.
한글을 시험할 때군요.
농담할 분위기가 아니네. 왕자가 생겨나? 와서 앉아보라고. 도망칠 곳은 없는. 슬슬 돌아가야겠어. 서류 작업이 밀려.
제 승리가 확실해요.
자욱한 죽음의 연구가 부디 마음에 들기를.
That's it for this last manual run of DDR. We'll see what the next boss is. They haven't said anything yet, probably because the maintenance patch isn't until next week. So we'll see what the next boss is. For this boss, I feel like it was okay. It had the nice whole consistent damage thing going on, and it does kind of suck that you needed one specific hero in order to play properly, though that's more or less been the case for the previous rotations anyways. Well, I'd expect the new boss to maybe be based around Young Senya. Hopefully not based around ML Hua, because they tried to make the first one based around ML Luna. It's pretty cringe if they make it based around a ML 5-star, but I think an RGB one is fine. But anyways, I'll do the auto team later, and I will see you guys next time.